All right. Hey, Fury. You playing fetch? You gotta bring it back to me. Good morning, everybody. This is another day with Fury and Toothless. Welcome to our channel. If you're not aware, this is Toothless, and that's Fury, and these are the adventures of Toothless and Fury. If you're new here, go ahead and like that video. Oh, he knocked the ball down the stairs. Go ahead and like that video. Subscribe to our channel. For every new subscriber that we gain during this month of January 2021, we will be donating $1 to a local animal shelter that is linked in the description below. We live in Chattanooga, Tennessee, so we chose an animal center in Chattanooga called the McCamey Animal Center. So far, we've gained over 100 subscribers this month, meaning that we will be donating over $100 to the McCamey Animal Center, which is awesome. Not sure where Fury is, but maybe we can play some fetch with him. Fury? Did you already lose the ball? Usually when you throw it, he brings it back. But I'm going to assume, yeah, he always loses it. And I feel so bad. So I have to come down and grab it. I actually literally just grabbed this thing out from under the couch. He was whining near the couch. But today, we play. You ready? Go get it. Toothless doesn't play fetch very often. He'll watch though, that's for sure. Toothless is feeling a lot better lately. We've had a lot of people call out, and I don't know what he's doing down there. He's gonna knock it under that thing again. I don't know. But Toothless has had a few hospital visits. He's on some medication. You'd all be aware of that. We've been posting videos about that this past week. He is doing a lot better. He actually, here he comes with his ball. Oh, he just dropped it. You gotta bring it all the way up here, buddy. You're just gonna knock it back down. Oh no, he knocked it all the way down there. Let's see. Oh yeah, there it is. We'll see if he brings it back up. But we have actually been, come here. We've actually been receiving a lot of well wishes from everybody on here on YouTube and on our Instagram page. We have a lot of fur friends, or fur family is what I like to call them. And everybody's been sending their well wishes and super appreciative. You gotta bring the ball all the way to me, Fury. Or are you gonna knock it back down the stairs? I guess I'll... Oh, he's gonna knock it down the stairs. Here, I'm gonna give him a chase. Come here. Let me have the ball. You ready? Come here. Watch this. I gotta throw it down the steps. Toothless, I love you so much. Oh, he already brought it back. Good job, buddy. But yes, so Toothless is feeling so much better, And we want to thank everybody for the well wishes and everything. It's always tough when you have, one of your fur children going through something, and you always want to make sure that they're doing okay. And we've found a really, really good vet here in Chattanooga, and they've really got them set up right. We haven't really had to do much except just give them medicine every day. So thank you for that. Let's see what Fury's up to. You gonna bring it back to me? No? You gonna bring it back to me? I have to come get it? Ready? We'll see what he can do here. Are you ready? I'll throw it in here. Where's it at? Where's it at, buddy? You see it? Found it. Bring it back to me. No, you gotta bring it back to me, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. I know you like it going down the stairs more. You ready? Go get it! Oh man. Let's see if he brings it. Oh, yeah, he did. Bring it all the way back to me. You don't want to bring it all the way back to me? You ready? Gah! Down the steps. I'd like to know if anybody that's watching this, if they have a cat that actually fetches like a dog. Comment below if you do. Would love to see video. Fury does pretty well with the fetching of this little fluff ball. Like, I can just sit here all day and throw it and he'll bring it back to me. Like he is right now, where he just kind of lays it down right here. Or all the way over there. So that I have to go all the way. He's starting to get tired. So I think we're done here. But I would like to know, I mean, are there other cats out there? I've owned upwards of 10 cats throughout my entire life, and I've never had a cat that actually fetched a ball like a dog before Fury. So if your cat fetches a ball, comment below. And in all honesty, would love to see a video. I don't know how I would obtain a video like that or anything, but I always think it's so funny and cute when cats play, and especially when they chase balls like dogs do. Let's check in on Toothless here. Hey Toothless, you doing okay, buddy? I don't know if Toothless is unhappy or not. He's wagging his tail like he's unhappy. I think it's because they don't have any food. Maybe I should feed him to end this video. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I've gotten pretty good at the one-handed moves. Doing these videos. Oh yeah, I think he's hungry. Let's see if he goes in there. Yeah. All right. Bye. Bye, cats. The food's out here. I already grabbed it. It's right here. There's no food in there. Cats are so funny. Alright, let's see. It's already open, so that should make it easy. If it wasn't open, I don't know if this would be possible to do with one hand. Let's see. Oh, I guess I should grab it from below here. Oh no. This isn't gonna work. Not bad. I don't want to give them too much. We're trying our best to kind of feed them periodically throughout the day. It's part of this guy's diet, for sure. But we love this kitty. And you don't have to wait. There's 2 bowls, buddy. Here. I'm gonna make it easy for him. Here. There's 2 bowls. Go ahead. Eat out of that one. Yeah. Usually he waits because he's nice, and Fury does not wait. But you can eat. I know you're camera shy. I'm sorry. I'll walk away so that you can eat. And with that, another day in the life of Toothless and Fury. Hope you enjoyed watching Fury fetch his ball. I was glad I could give an update on Toothless. And we're all glad that he's feeling better. Like I said in the beginning of the video, go ahead and subscribe. For every new subscriber during the month of January, we will be donating $1 to the local animal center. What's this thing? It's like, what are these noises? And follow us on Instagram. It's all Adventures of Toothless and Fury. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Toothless.